Tesla, the name that revolutionized the electric vehicle market. But what if I told you buying one might be a mistake in 2025? Surprised? Let me explain. Tesla isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle statement. From the iconic Model 3 to the futuristic Cybertruck, Tesla's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. But is the hype overshadowing the cracks in their armor? Let's start with maintenance. Sure, Teslas have fewer moving parts than traditional cars, but when something goes wrong, it can cost you a fortune. Battery replacement? We're talking tens of thousands of dollars. And that's not all. Service appointments are notoriously delayed. Some owners have waited weeks, even months, for repairs. Can you imagine being without your car for that long? Then there's build quality. Reports of misaligned panels, paint issues, and rattling interiors are still making headlines in 2025. Consumer watchdogs have flagged these issues multiple times, yet the problems persist. And while Tesla's Autopilot system is groundbreaking, it's not foolproof. In recent years, there have been multiple reports of accidents involving Autopilot misuse. Tesla claims improvements, but is it worth the risk to trust an evolving technology with your life? Ask yourself, is Tesla's convenience worth compromising on safety? Here's where things get interesting. Tesla is no longer the only EV game in town. Rivian offers rugged reliability, Lucid Air boasts unmatched luxury and range, and the Hyundai Ioniq 6? It's packed with features at a fraction of the cost. Settle for Tesla's inconsistencies when the competition is offering better options at competitive prices. Let's not forget the controversies. From employee treatment to environmental concerns about lithium mining, Tesla's operations are under scrutiny. Are you comfortable supporting a company with such baggage? Remember, buying a car isn't just a financial decision. It's an ethical one, too. So, should you buy a Tesla in 2025? Maybe. But should you think twice? Absolutely. With better, safer, and often more affordable options out there, why not explore the alternatives? Let me leave you with this question. Is Tesla still the future, or is it just an overhyped relic of the past?